In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize designs into folders in Canva. By the end, you'll know how to set up folders and quickly file your designs so your workspace stays clean and easy to navigate. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Canva. Click the official Canva link to head to the homepage. If you're not already signed in, log in using your usual method. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Projects. This is the central library where all your designs, uploads, and brand assets live. At the top right of the Projects page, you'll see the Add New button, shown as a plus icon. Click that, then choose Folder. A prompt will appear asking for a folder name. Type a clear, specific name that makes sense at a glance. Something like Client, Spring Campaign, or Social Instagram Reels. When you're happy with the name, click Continue. Your folder is now created and ready to hold your designs. There are 3 quick ways to file your work into that folder. First, drag and drop. While you're in Projects, find a design thumbnail, click and hold it, then drag it straight onto your new folder in the sidebar or folder list. When the folder highlights, release to drop it in. This is perfect for moving a single design in just a second or two. Second, bulk move. Hover over a design and click the small checkbox that appears. Keep selecting as many designs as you want to move. Along the bottom of the screen, click the folder icon labeled Move to Folder. Choose your destination folder and confirm. This is the fastest method when you're cleaning up a backlog or sorting a whole campaign at once. Third, from the editor. If you're currently working on a design, go to the File menu in the top toolbar and select Save to Folder. Pick an existing folder or create a new one on the spot. This ensures your work is organized the moment you create it, so nothing ends up floating in your general library. Repeat these steps as needed to build a structure that matches how you work. A helpful tip is to start simple with a few top-level folders, then refine over time. Remember, moving a design into a folder doesn't delete or duplicate it. It just keeps your project's area tidy and searchable. With folders in place and these 3 filing methods in your toolkit, staying organized in Canva becomes effortless. Now, jump into your Projects tab and start organizing. Your future self will thank you.